everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all what I carry in my carry-on backpack as well as some travel essentials. I just came back from Europe, so the stuff in here is pretty fresh and new, and these are legitimately the things that I brought on my trip. If you guys are interested, I did post a lot on Instagram and like my Instagram stories about my trip, so I will link that down below. Be sure to follow me if you're interested. I try and make the stories more like fun and cool, so I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and check those out. I also did vlog, so be sure to check out the classified life, link down below as well as on the screen if you are interested in seeing all those wonderful travel vlogs. But with all that being said, let's just jump into the video. If you guys have watched my previous backpack videos before, this might look familiar to you, but this is the Fjallraven Kanken bag in the color graphite, and this is the 13-inch laptop one. So I used to use this a lot for school, and now that I'm out of school, I use it as mainly for my carry-on. I used it as a carry-on when I was still in school too, so it's pretty universal and versatile. I like that it's not very structured because I can just like fill it up with a bunch of things, and it's still relatively small. And yeah, so we're gonna start with the main pocket. It always looks like this, okay, like always. And that's because I like to keep these two items on the top of at the top of the bag. The first being this pouch. So in this pouch, I don't remember where I got it. I think it was in like middle school, but I keep all of the things that I just need like immediately. And so I have my passport in here, and then I have two sets of earbuds because I need one for my phone and then one for like the airplane TV. So I have two of those. And then I just have my phone charger as well. And I like to have this out, and I'll usually take out my chapstick and put it in here as well. And this is just the only bag that I'll have out in the airplane, and I'll just put this like in the seat pocket in front of me. The next thing that's in here is this Glossier bag, which is basically my toiletries bag, and I like to have it in the top of the bag because you have to take out all the liquids when you go through security. So I have this, and then I actually separate it within this bag too. So in here I have all of my liquids in a separate Ziploc bag. So I have my sunscreen here, moisturizer, my contact solution, and my contact cleaners in here. And then I have I think that's it actually. So, oh wait, toothpaste, yes. So I have all this here, and then in here are kind of like the loose items, but they're like dry, there's no liquid. So I just have deodorant and my retainers, this little portable toothbrush, which is honestly so perfect for traveling because it's so small and compact. It kind of flips open into the toothbrush, as you can see, floss, and then my contact case. So it's nice to have all this and this separated so that when I go through security, I can just literally like take this out and just put it on the tray, and then it's quick, it's more efficient, so highly recommend doing that. And then next up in here, I have my water bottle. So I have this thing with me literally all the time. I try and have it filled up all the way before I go to the airport, and then finish it on the ride there. And then right before we get onto the plane and board, I will fill it up all the way again so that when I'm on the plane, it's like I have a full bottle, because yes, they give you basically unlimited water, but it's always in these tiny cups. So I'll try and bring this, and I'll sip on this kind of throughout the flight. Next up, I have this red case, and this just has my glasses and like two elastics. So I will also, before I board the plane, typically if it's an international flight, I like to take my contacts off and put on my glasses just because I like to sleep. And if I sleep with my contacts on, they just get super dry and irritated and just really uncomfortable. So I like to have this with me. And on that same note, I have just a pair of sunglasses. Next, I have this notebook with me, and I like to write things down whenever I'm traveling. So maybe it's not necessarily my travel journal, but I do like to jot stuff down, so I'll like write things, you know? And then I also have my Kindle with me. I don't always bring my Kindle because I do have the app on my phone, so I can always read on my phone if I wanted to. But with this trip, it was nice having my Kindle and not having to like stare at my phone all day. I like having the Kindle also instead of a physical book like I used to do, because when I would bring my physical book, it would either get like really bent or just like misshapen and it's thicker. With a Kindle, it's just thin and there's like a bunch of books on here, so really like that. And I also have just my pencil case in here. I like to keep it pretty simple though. I'll just have like maybe 2 or 3 pens and a highlighter and like eraser and some washi tape, because I can like tape things to my travel journal. And then we are almost done here. I have this adapter. So a universal adapter is super important if you are traveling internationally. This one we got from Best Buy, and so it has this like US adapter or outlet part here, and then you just kind of, depending on where you go, like the adapter will, you know, give you the right outlet thing. So next I have my wallet, and I recently downgraded from my previous wallet because this is just so much more convenient. It's small and it only has my essentials, so when I'm traveling I don't have like a huge bulky wallet, and all I will put in here are literally my driver license, my travel credit card, and my debit card, and then some cash, like some US cash, and then some of the cash from whatever country that I'm going to. And I like having this, and it just like fits anywhere too, which is really nice. Last up in this large compartment is a snack, because snacks are so important when you're traveling. So this is just the dark chocolate walnut peanut fig and date bar from Trader Joe's. If you watched my Switzerland vlogs, link down below, at The Classified Life on YouTube, then you will know that Jess and I bought these for the trip, and it was our first time trying them, and it is now our new favorites. So it's definitely a really great bar, and it's really filling too, which is really nice, but I like to have some sort of snack on me just in case. So in this case I have this bar. Sometimes I'll bring a fruit, or like honestly leftovers or something. As long as you finish it on the plane, you're usually fine no matter what you bring, as long as there's obviously like no liquids and stuff. Now in the smaller pocket up in the front, I have my chapstick. So like I said before, I will usually put this in my little wristlet pouch thing before we take off, but this is the Kiehl's Lip Balm #1 in cranberry, and if you guys have been subscribed to me or have watched my videos for a while, you know that this is my favorite lip balm. Love this, and also love this flavor. And then I also have the L'Occitane hand cream, because my hands get really dry as well, and it's just nice to have like some sort of lotion on me. So love this, and it's like small and it's tiny and it's portable, which is awesome. And then the next very important thing to have is a power bank. So I actually got this. This is from InCase, and I got this during Black Friday, but it's just this really pretty pink color. I don't know if you guys can tell, and it charges like a lot. I think it charged maybe like 2 or 3 full charges. So I love this, and it's great because in case anything ever happens, in case my phone dies or whatever, then like I have this as a safety net. Other than that, I just have 2 Band-Aids and an empty Tic Tac thing. So I think I got this from my Delta flight, but I want to make this a thing. I need to go buy like Tic Tacs or something, but this was just a mini pack of Tic Tacs in fresh mint, and I just had like 4 in here, but this is really nice to pop in my mouth like before I land or something. That is all for these 2 pockets. And then in the laptop pocket, so I used to bring my laptop in every trip, but then it's like so heavy, and I would just much rather just enjoy the vacation and not be on my laptop or anything. So I haven't been bringing my laptop at all, but in the laptop case area, I do have a reusable bag because, as you know, these are amazing and I love having one on me all the time. And it was really nice because whenever we go to other countries, like especially with my family or even like when I'm with my friends and we go grocery shopping, it's really nice to just have a huge reusable bag so you don't have to pay more for plastic bags and you just like are always ready. Alright, so we've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I have in my carry-on bag. I've been traveling for quite a while now, and so I think I've narrowed down exactly what I need for each flight, and these are basically my essentials. It's what I have, like, if all else fails, if I have my carry-on, I'm usually good to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other travel essentials that I may have missed or anything that you must have and must bring, because I would love to know. Be sure to check out my Instagram for all these Instagram story travel updates, because I think you guys will love them because I love them and I think they're great. And also check out my second channel, The Classified Live, for vlogs. All of my Switzerland vlogs are up now if you guys want to check those out, as well as all my previous trips. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!